Minutes ago, Pfizer applied to the FDA for emergency authorization of its COVID-19 vaccine for children under the age of 5. It's a 2-dose vaccine that could eventually become a 3-dose shot, and a decision on the vaccine could come by the end of the month. The Fox Medical team's Beth Galvin spoke to a mom who's wanted and waited on this decision for months.
Children under 5 are the only age group still not eligible for the coronavirus vaccine. And for one Cobb County mom, this has been a long, frustrating wait.
Suzanne Woolley of Ackworth has spent the last 2 years trying to keep her 3 kids, who are 3, 6, and 8, safe from the coronavirus, especially Annie, her little one, who's too young to be eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine.
I think a lot of parents of under 5s have really feel like we've been forgotten.
And when the highly contagious Omicron variant surfaced, Woolley knew that protecting Annie would get even more challenging, and she was right. On January 19th, Matthew came home from school complaining of a headache and feeling dizzy, so she tested him.
I knew it was going to be positive.
It was. And Stephanie and Annie, both asymptomatic, tested positive too. So did Suzanne and her husband, who both got mildly ill.
It was just this huge sinking feeling. I mean, we've cocooned for 2 years. We've missed big things. We've canceled trips. We've missed family events.
Matthew and Stephanie missed 5 days of school. Annie, 10 days of daycare. The Woolleys are all vaccinated except Annie, but that could soon change as the FDA considers whether to approve Pfizer and BioNTech's low-dose vaccine for children under 5 like Annie.
I feel like it's been a long time coming. All the other age groups have gotten approval.
Pediatrician Dr. Jennifer Hsu with Children's Medical Group in Atlanta says the Pfizer vaccine for kids 5 and under was delayed over questions about whether it should be a 2-dose or a 3-dose vaccine. In December, the company announced the 2-dose vaccine failed in clinical trials to trigger an effective immune response in the 2 to 4-year-old age group.
And using a higher dose would create bigger side effects, which would not be acceptable. And so now the company is looking at adding a 3rd dose to see if that would do the trick. I think the thought is, why not try to get these children some protection from the 2 doses while also still studying the 3rd dose?
Suzanne Woolley says she just wants to get Annie vaccinated so she can stop feeling so anxious.
And we can get back to really enjoying those small moments versus worrying about keeping a virus out of the house.
The Woolleys have all recovered from their infections, and Suzanne says she's hoping that the combination of Annie's having recovered from the virus and eventually getting vaccinated will give her an added level of immunity. For your Fox Medical team, I'm Beth Galvin.